In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block spam in Wpforms. We all know how annoying and time-consuming dealing with spam can be, especially when you're trying to maintain a clean and efficient workflow. Thankfully, Wpforms makes it quite straightforward to block spam, and in the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the process step by step. First, you want to start by navigating to your form builder. This is essentially the control center for any forms you've created or are about to create using Wpforms. Once you're in the form builder, you'll notice a variety of options that allow you to customize and manage your forms. But today, our focus is on enhancing spam protection. To do this, you'll need to head over to the Settings section of your form. Simply look for the Settings tab, which is usually located in a menu on the left side of your screen. Clicking on this will open up a list of settings options for your form. Among the various options, you'll find one labeled Spam Protection and Security. This section is incredibly important for protecting your forms against unwanted and disruptive spam. Go ahead and click on it. You'll be taken to a new screen where you can make specific adjustments to enhance your form's security. Now, here comes the crucial part. You need to enable the Anti-Spam Protection feature. This feature is designed to automatically filter out spam submissions without requiring extensive technical input from you. You'll see a toggle switch next to Enable Anti-Spam Protection. If it isn't already activated, you'll want to click on this toggle to turn it on. When the switch turns from gray to blue, you'll know the feature is enabled. Enabling this feature might seem like a small step, but it plays a significant role in keeping your forms clean from unwanted submissions. This built-in anti-spam protection is powered by smart algorithms that work quietly in the background, ensuring that only legitimate responses make it through to your inbox. While these steps might seem simple, they're very effective at reducing spam effortlessly. It's a set-it-and-forget-it solution that requires minimal ongoing maintenance, allowing you to shift your focus back to more important tasks. So there you have it, an easy yet powerful way to block spam in Wpforms. To recap, all it took was a quick trip to your form builder, a few clicks under the Settings tab, and enabling the anti-spam protection. With these steps, you can save yourself from the headache of dealing with unwanted submissions, ensuring a more seamless and efficient experience using Wpforms. If you have any questions or need more help with Wpforms, feel free to let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.